Obsidian versus Notion. Which note-taking app is better? Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts and ideas without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both options briefly. Obsidian and Notion are two powerful note-taking applications, each catering to different needs. Obsidian focuses on creating a personal knowledge base with a local-first approach, while Notion emphasizes collaboration and organization in a visually appealing workspace. Obsidian is a markdown-based note-taking app designed for building a personal knowledge management system. It operates on a local-first model, meaning your notes are stored on your device, ensuring privacy and control. Users can create interconnected notes through backlinks, enabling a web of knowledge that enhances learning. Obsidian excels in its flexibility, allowing users to customize their workspace with various plugins and themes, catering to individual preferences. However, its steep learning curve may pose a challenge for beginners. Ideal users include researchers, writers, and anyone seeking a robust system for personal knowledge management. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and project planning. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to organize notes and collaborate with others. Notion's versatility allows users to create databases, Kanban boards, and calendars, which can be tailored to suit various workflows. One of its strengths is real-time collaboration, making it an excellent choice for teams and projects. However, its reliance on cloud storage may raise concerns for users seeking offline access. Notion is ideal for students, teams, and professionals who value collaboration and a visually organized workspace. When comparing Obsidian and Notion, consider your primary needs. If you value privacy and a local-first approach, Obsidian is a strong choice. Its backlinking feature allows for deep connections between notes, perfect for building a personal knowledge base. On the other hand, if collaboration and organization are your priorities, Notion shines with its intuitive interface and real-time collaboration tools. For instance, a student might prefer Notion for group projects, while a researcher may choose Obsidian for in-depth personal study. Ultimately, the best option depends on whether you prioritize personal knowledge management or collaborative project planning. For those seeking a powerful personal knowledge management tool, Obsidian is highly recommended. If you need a versatile workspace that supports collaboration and organization, Notion is the better choice. Both apps have their strengths, so consider your needs carefully to make the best decision for your note-taking journey.